sekali, tetapi saya akan menceritakan satu pengalaman saya yang memang lucu, bodoh, tapi lucu. Ini dia, kita sambut Livi dari kelas 6.
Hello everybody, my name is Livi. I'm going to tell you a story about my childhood foolish experience. When I was a kid, I had a toy motorcycle that I can ride. It was my mama's toy because I played it a lot. My favorite part about the toy is the trunk. I can put many things in there, like mini dolls, crayons, candies, and many more. One day, when I was playing in the living room, I saw something on the sofa. I thought it was a toy. So I took it and I put it in my motorcycle trunk. Then I was bored in the living room. So I thought of the most brilliant and excellent idea. I want to wash my motorcycle toy. So I asked my brother's help to bring my motorcycle toy to the backyard. After that, I washed my motorcycle toy without putting the things out of the trunk. After I washed it, I went back inside the house and played. The next day, my mom was busy looking for something. Said I wanted to help her by asking her, "Mom, what are you looking for?" My mom said that she was looking for her phone. I didn't know what a phone is, so I asked her, "Mom, what is a phone?" Then she showed me a phone. Then she showed me another phone. Then I took her hand and bring her to the backyard. I opened my motorcycle trunk and showed her. "Here you go, Mom." Rather than happy, my mom was shocked. "What? Why did you do that?" Then I was confused. I asked, "What's wrong, Mom?" Then my mom said, "You just broke my phone." Then I said, "Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was a toy." But luckily, my mom wasn't mad at me, and she told me the right thing to do. That's all of my story. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Livi. Okay, do you know the story? Tahu ceritanya? Iya. Ceritanya dia bilang stupid story, stupid and funny story. Oke, berdiri di sini teman-teman. Stupid and funny story. Ceritanya dia sedang main, lalu dia main sibuk dengan permainannya, terus dia tidak sengaja melihat handphone mamanya ada di sofa. Lalu dia ambil sofanya dan permainan, dia sementara main sepeda, dan bagian dari sepeda yang paling dia suka itu bagian truknya yang biasa isi barang-barang itu. Lalu dia ambil HP mamanya, letakkan bersama dengan permainan lainnya. Lalu dia punya ide yang dia bilang, "Saya mau main di luar." Dia minta saudaranya bawa HP-nya, bawa motor sepedanya keluar. Dia main di luar, main lagi dicuci sepedanya. Lalu sebelum masuk ke dalam rumah, dia taruh air di dalam sepeda di trunk tadi. Dia taruh air, dan keesokan harinya mamanya sibuk sekali cari sesuatu. Dia tanya, "Mama sedang apa? Mencari apa?" Dia bilang, "Saya mencari HP saya yang hilang." Terus dia bilang, dia ambil mamanya punya tangan, dia bilang, "Belakang." Lalu di belakang dia ambil HP-nya, "Mama, ini kan?" "Iya, ini HP-nya." Lalu mamanya bukan bahagia tetapi shock, terkejut, karena HP-nya sudah masuk ke dalam air, pasti rusak. Itu cerita stupid and but funny story.